26th, I think it is, Mother's Day. Come down to repair the greenhouse to find that someone's broken into our shed. Well, you can't say broken into it, but it's been ripped off the hinges. If you look at that, the nail heads have actually been ripped off. I don't know if anything's missing, I'll have to sort it out. I'm just getting really peed off with this allotment now. Every other time we come down, someone's been in the shed, or someone's been in the greenhouse, or someone's taken something from our plot. It's really starting to get to the point where, what's the point? Anyway, we'll fix it up the best we can. Now the shed door's literally been ripped off his hinges. Anyway, I'll get on with what I've got to do. There you go, as you can see, the greenhouse is slowly getting repaired. We've got to take the you forgot to take the film off of it. Alright then. Swearing. But yeah, I'll put the website up on the bottom of the screen. You never know, next time we make an order they might give us a discount. We got 10 sheets of polycarbonate. We ain't gonna need 10, it's just we know for a fact we're gonna need some in the future, so we thought sod it. Yeah, 10 sheets for $33.99 I think it was, and it was free delivery as well. So I'll put the website in the link, and I'll also put the name on the screen now. As you can hear, everybody's down mowing their lawns. I'd love to be able to mow the lawn at the moment, but we've got too many other things to do that are a bit more important. So, but yeah, that is now getting repaired. So, greenhouse will be back up and running. Gonna take most of the day doing that. We've also now got to put the shed door back on, which we're extremely not happy about. Whoever broke in decided to use a whole gas can and have a nice cup of tea, because there's a lot of tea bags gone missing, there's a lot of sugar gone missing, and they've made an absolute mess of the shed. That shed was sorted out a couple of weeks ago. It was all nice and neat, and now it's absolutely trashed again. So we're gonna sort this greenhouse out, and then we're going to put the shed door back on, and then if there's any other time to do anything else, we'll find something else to do. There's always something to do. But yeah, you can see the tomato plants in here. Spin you around a bit. Sorry for the shaky camera on the tripod. But yeah, there's the all the tomatoes there. That end we've got the Alicantes. In the bigger pots we've got the white tomatoes.
All of my screws.
As you can see, the rhubarb along there has gone absolutely wild. I'll show you in a little while. And down here we've got his Nibs' radish. It's going really well. Oh, we've got two lots there. We've got Sparkler that side, and then he's got his French breakfast that side. Up at the end there we've got the all the brassicas along there still in the little pots. co-op has just started doing, only just started doing their compost, so we're going to get some on Wednesday so I can transplant those. You'll have to excuse the voice. I've been suffering with this stupid, horrible throat thing now for the past 2 weeks. So I've got a rather gruff voice at the moment. So anyway, see you in a bit. Well, I've got the kettle on the boil. I'll just give you a quick tour of what I've got going on in here. Got a load of flower seeds there. Got phlox, I think that's how you pronounce it. Phlox there. Lavender Beauty. Got some stalks in that one. As you can see, the stalks have come up first. Got one phlox there. Stock 10-week mix, and I've got some salvia in that one. None of those have come up yet. That's Blazer Flyer, the flyer, fire. And then we've got that one there. This one's hard to pronounce. There we go. I will try my best. Mesembryantheniums. Yeah, mixed. It's a long one. Hold on, let's see if I can find the packet. And then you can tell me if I've said it right. Probably not. That's the packet. Mesembryantheniums. Tell me if I've said that right. Probably not. I've got the beetroots there. They're the baby action. Got some coming up there finally, which is the white Detroit. And this one here, I've got some foxgloves. And my little propagator here. I've got dahlias there. Marion mix, I think that says. Cosmos. Eachium, I think that's how you pronounce it. Blue something. Cornflower. And then Michelangelo's there. Put that back on. And here I've got some safflower. Now, Mick Watson sent me those. He didn't have a clue what safflower was until I told him. The petals are used for dyeing. You take the petals off, you dry them, you crush them into a fine powder. And this year I'm going to be hopefully starting to make my own soaps. And we're getting some wool from a couple of animal rescues near us, and we're going to start spinning and dyeing our own wool. So that'll be some fun. The kettle's taking forever, but yeah, that's what I've got going on in here. You have to excuse my throat and husky voice. I've had this throat thing. It's not an infection or nothing, but I don't know what it is. I've had it for 2 weeks now. But anyway, that's what we've got going on in the sheds come greenhouse. As you can see, I'm starting to tidy this up after someone decided to rip our door off. It's only happened the last couple of days because Jason and one of the kids came down, and it was fine then. And it hasn't been the wind because Jay closed the door, and you've all seen how hard it is to close the door. And he closed it tight, so I ain't got a clue who it is. We haven't heard of any other break-ins. Thing that I don't get is there's a huge 8-foot fence that they've got to climb over to get in. So we don't know whether it's another plot holder, but I very much doubt it. Most likely being an old plot holder that's still got the key to the lock and it's decided to come in and raid everybody's sheds or something, I don't know. But I was really depressed about it. I'm still pretty depressed about it. So anyway, I'm going to wait for this kettle to boil and then I'll give you a quick tour. After I've made the cuppa, I'll do a quick tour of the actual plot. You'll have to excuse the wind, it's windy down here again. We were hoping for some nice weather. I mean, it's sun shining, really nice blue sky, but that wind is so cold. But anyway, I'll stop this here and make a cuppa and then do a quick tour. See you in a bit. Here we go. That's that bit done so far. I know we haven't taken the film off before you start complaining. Totally forgot to do it. A bit late now. What? Them plants out there. You'll have to wait a minute though. What we've done to secure it is we put these wood battens across. Got one outside as well. As you can see. Oh, sorry about that, I'm a bit out of breath at the moment. But yeah, got wood batten top and bottom. Wood batten bottom there, middle along there. Gonna come down tomorrow and put, oh, it's getting noisy again, and put those bits on there. We found a bit of perspex that's gonna slot in there quite nicely, so we hope. If not, we've got enough panels to do it. Huh? It's not going to fit in there. Well, if you can wait a minute, I'll do the tour and then I'll give you a hand, because I was going to say you might have to bend it in and underneath that putty. Oh, it's bright sun, sorry about that. Yeah, we might have to bend it a little bit to go in underneath the putty.
I've got to cut about 2.5 inches off this side anyway.
Alright.
I just want to know if I can get underneath.
This is radishes, tomatoes. I think I've shown you all this already. But yeah, we've only got those end bits at the top to do. And that one there to do. I'll give you a quick tour. You'll have to excuse the wind, as you can hear by my wind device up there. Where is it? Hold on. That wind device just there, that flappy bit of metal. It tells me if it's breezy or not. Nice weather system, innit, really. Right, outside. Jason's started doing the flower beds. Still got some grape hyacinths in there that I did try and get rid of, but there's still a lot in there. Nothing happening down that side yet. My leeks are coming on leaps and bounds now. Looking really nice. Nothing left in there now, it's all just weeds. There's my garlic. First year growing it and they look pretty good actually. And finally we've got the broad beans come up. Let's go down to the shady part of the garden at the moment. It's only shady because the houses are casting a bit of a shadow. Had a bit of a disaster with his wormery. He didn't factor in the weight of the compost and it's kind of collapsed. So he's got to rethink that one. Here we go. Doubt you'll be able to see all them little tadpoles on that bit of drain pipe there. But they've all hatched now. Marsh marigold is going to be coming into flower soon. And I pruned my blueberry bush. I've still got a bit of dead wood there though. I've got to take out. But yeah, at the end of this year I'm going to be taking it out of here and putting it into a big pot, and then we're gonna rebuild this bed, and then we're gonna take the black currant that's in that far end now, gonna take that out and put it into a new bed. Red currant bushes, they're gonna need a new bed built around them. These have got flower trusses on them already, look. There we go. So gonna have a lot of berries on here again this year because of all these flower trusses. Excuse me. Just the berries have got flowers on already as well. There we go. So gonna have a lot of those as well. We've just started harvesting our rhubarb. I think we've harvested about half of it already today. We've given a couple of bagfuls away. And I'll go and show you. We've still got absolutely loads left. Yeah, like I said, nothing's happened in these beds yet. Here we go. It's in my pencil case in the greenhouse. There you go, look. All this rhubarb. We've still got all that. So yeah. Nothing more really to report. That's about it for this week. Please like, comment and subscribe.
And send lots of donations.
Send lots of donations. Cheeky bugger, isn't he?
Cheques made out to C-A-S-H.
Cash. Oh God. He had me bloody thinking there. But yeah, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. And for any mothers out there, happy Mother's Day.